loved one. Well, now you guys know everything about Crystal Mirage. Meanwhile, I'm still shopping for women and I'm telling you how you can come out here to Select City Walk in Saket and really pamper and soothe your senses. And right now the store I'm in actually smells absolutely fantastic. This one is known as the Nature Co. It's fairly new, and to talk to me more about it, I have Natasha. Hi.
Hi.
So Natasha, tell me, this is your first store in
This
Delhi.
is the first flagship store in India, right?
Yeah.
And we have plans to move globally. But right now we're looking at metros, other metros like Mumbai, Bangalore, Tier 2 cities right now.
And what kind of products does Nature Co. offer for
We
women?
have beauty products and a lot of wellness products at the same time. We have 5 distinct ranges to offer, which is derived from the 5 purest forms of nature right now.
Okay.
So we have Atmosphere, Star Eyes, we have Fluorescence, Earthborn and Aqua Spa. You can choose according to your needs, what you like, what is the taste that you have.
And for Women's Day specifically, for someone who really wants to pamper someone and give them a good gift, what kind of gift options do you
We have a lot of gifting options. In fact, we have our travel kits, which are basically, they have miniatures of our products.
Okay.
We have a bath salt.
Okay.
We have 4 different, we have a shampoo, a conditioner.
So you have different products within this.
Right.
And
we
it's a
have
really cute little travel kit pouch. So once the products are over, you can actually continue
use it. And we have kept a little space, so you want to put in your some comb or maybe your dental kit or something like that.
You can. And how much are travel kits like that price start?
These are prices 345.
345. Okay, well that's actually a very affordable price to pay for it. And what about these gift boxes?
This is called the Sheer Indulgence Kit.
All right.
It's basically is the best kit if you want to indulge into a quiet.
And it's quite heavy, isn't it?
It's quite heavy, right.
So this one also has soaps. I can see it has a body wash, a bath oil.
Right.
So can people customize? Like, can they choose the
No,
products?
these are ready kits, but if
Okay.
you want to customize something, we have 3 different options.
Okay.
We have some, this is our gift box.
Okay.
Which you can actually fill in how many ever products
That you want. Okay.
We decorate it with the kind of elements we want. We gift wrap it in muslin, woolly cloth and everything.
That's fantastic.
And so we can make a customized gift the way you want. So we have other options even. We have a bag and we have another small box, which is a paper box, which is a little...
And for that perfect spa experience, I can see
think
this
it's a
little
wellness
box.
product.
Yeah, so this is a great thing because you have candles, you have essential oils, you have bath salts, so you really have a mix of everything
Right,
here.
right.
And right here is something that if you want to have a spa experience at home, they have make your own bath salts. What is this about?
Now this make your own bath salts is actually we give consumer an indulgent experience when they are shopping at the store. So basically they can open any salt, choose which salt they want, actually fill it up in the test tubes according to this.
So this is,
This is how
filled up.
it's filled.
Yeah. So this is how it's filled, and then they can like pick and choose what
Pick
they
and
want.
choose, and
you
there
can
are 2 different ways where they can stack it in their bathrooms. Maybe
As if they want to pick 2 like this,
and then maybe
5.
a 5 set.
And how much are the bath salts like this
They're
price tag?
priced, one test tube costs 175 rupees.
All right, well, one test tube for 175. I still think the prices are very competitive. It's quite nice. And what is this happening here? Like, is this something specially for Women's Day?
Yeah, it's actually, we have complimentary services for our clients.
Yeah.
We have free express spa corner, wherein we give hand massages, foot reflexology, even facial treatments to our consumers. And we are doing a Women's Day special. Anyone walking to Select City Walk can come to our counter and they can get free express spa services, use our product, indulge, and tell the women of today that you are to be pampered, you work hard enough. And you really work hard, you're a working lady or you're a mother at home, you're a homemaker, come indulge and pamper yourself at the Nature Co.
Natasha is really exciting me, and I think this is tempting enough for all you guys to just come out to Select City Walk, get some free spa treatments, and best of all, shop for some really good stuff to pamper your skin with. That was the last half an hour of Super Shopper for you. I tried to give you a glimpse into exactly why you should come out to Select City Walk on the Women's Day weekend. So I hope and I suggest that you guys just come out here, take out some time and shop your heart out. If any of you have suggestions, write into us at metronation@ndtv.com. Until we see you again tomorrow with something new, this is Shruti saying goodbye.
Super Shopper brought to you by La Lingerie. Rediscover yourself at La Lingerie at Great India Place, Noida.
It's the most important job.